So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to duplicate a page here in Canva. So if I wanted to make another copy of a page, maybe edit a little couple things out while keeping my first draft, this is a super helpful tool to do this, or you can just basically duplicate it for whatever reason you want. So just for this demonstration, I'm going to grab a circle. I'm going to make the circle a little bit larger, and then I want to make the circle, how about the color green for this demonstration. So if you want to duplicate this page and you want the next page to be this exact same thing that's currently on your first page, it's super simple. Rather than just pressing add page, so I'll just show you guys what this does. If you press add page right here, it actually just makes a blank page and doesn't duplicate the page that you had prior. So then just go to the top right corner where it says delete, and instead I want you to go to this option right here in the top right corner to where it says duplicate page. So it's in between the lock icon as well as the add page icon. So right in the middle, press duplicate page. So just press it, and there you go. Page number 2 is this green circle as well. Well, page number 1 is also the green circle. And just in case you want to duplicate it again, I will just make this circle right here. I'll make it yellow. And if I just want to duplicate it again, no big deal. Press the duplicate page option right here. And there you go, that page is duplicated on page 3. So hopefully this video helped in showing you how to duplicate a page here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.